In this video, I'll show you how to edit the navigation bar on Squarespace. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you're going to choose the website of which you want to edit the navigation bar for. And once you do that, this is what your dashboard should look like. Now, on the left sidebar, what we're going to do is we're going to go to website. On the website, we're going to go to pages. Now on the pages, you're going to see main navigation and not linked. What this stands for is that this main navigation header is where all the pages that are linked to your website go to. Take a look at this side of the navigation that links to other pages. If we should move another page from the main navigation to not linked, you realize the page reloads and that page is off the main navigation. So what we just did was we just reordered the navigation link and we just removed a page from navigation. Now to edit or style the navigation itself, we can click on this edit button and we can come to edit site header. And once we click here, we have the option to edit navigation here. Click on this pencil and we can still reorder the pages. Now that is how you edit the navigation bar on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.